were discussing in our previous class about circular flow of income, right? So many of the students who are from commerce background or maybe even from humanities backgrounds, definitely you have definitely learned or have been taught what is circular flow of income. Even for everyone, humanities or science हो, actually layman terms में समझने की कोशिश करो. What is this circular flow? Circular and flow, right? We discuss about circular flow of income and expenditure, right? Actually, it is about national income. एक
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, yes, बेटा.
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
मेरी voice clear नहीं आ रही है.
मैम आपकी वॉइस गूंज रही है लाइक इको.
एक काम करती हूँ फिर प्रीवियस मेथड से जाती हूँ. ओके. Now, now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay, ठीक है. अदरवाइज कॉलर माइक लेके आऊंगी अगर कॉलेज आऊंगी तो. ऑल राइट. सो सर्कुलर फ्लो इनकम है क्या? फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो अबाउट दैट. So circular flow of income and expenditure is nothing but it's a diagrammatic explanation of how a country generates its income and how it spends, right? How a economy is made up of, right? They're like when we discuss what is GDP or what is national income, right? So that's why in the first class of starting of circular flow, I discussed with the formula of national income, right? National income का formula क्या है? Formula क्या? मतलब what is consist of GDP or how we calculate the total income of a country, right? It is national income or Y is equal to, yes, what is national income? Yes, anyone?
Consumption.
Ma'am, it refers to the production of all goods and services in the economy.
Yes. So when production happen, right? Production के लिए हमें चाहिए investment, right? You need capital. Factor of production चाहिए, so we need capital. So investment होगा, and to carry forward that production, the final product need to be sold in the market, right? That means consumption or C. Is it feasible? क्योंकि light आ रही है बहुत.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It
Okay.
is.
C plus I means investment. Okay, Ansharura is okay admitted. So C plus I, C for consumption, I for investment, S for saving, right? Plus G for government expenditure. Then comes your net export, that is export minus import, because import is expense, right? Import का मतलब क्या है? Indian people or we are buying goods and services from foreign country, that is import. When we are buying, that means we are paying, that is expenditure, right? And when we are selling our domestically produced goods and services, that means domestically produced goods and services to international market, that means we are exporting. Exporting हम जब करेंगे, what we will get in back? We will get income, right? We will get payment for the goods and services sold. Export always generate income in foreign currency, right? So that's why when we can generate the profit, right, international market में, international trade में, how we can generate profit? When our export is higher than our import, right? If the net export, that is X minus M, is negative, that means import is higher than your export, that is loss. अगर हम layman language में भी बात करें, so right, so एक normal economy में there are 4 sector, right? That means for running of an economy, we need people, right? Or the consumer who will buy your goods and services. We need firms who will do the production. We need government to fix price, to get taxes, because they also need payment for it, public revenue. Then government also makes some public expenditure, right, for the welfare of the people. Then there is also international trade for import and export. That's why when we write in a formula or mathematical formula of national income, we write national income NI और Y. बहुत बार आप फॉर्मूला में देखोगे Y. Y is equal to C plus I or S plus G plus X minus M, right? So that's why when we discuss that circular form in sector economy का मतलब क्या है? We have to suppose, actually में नहीं है. So it is just an assumption that to discuss circular flow of income, right? If there is no government intervention and if there is no foreign trade. So how actually a economy works? That means we are removing the G and we are removing this X minus M, right? So now there is only two parts, C plus S or C plus I or S, that is consumption that consumer will do and investment and saving, right? So we can discuss it. आज मैं इसमें भी ट्राई करके देख सकती हूँ कि like it is farm and there is household. Household is part of household, right? This is household and this is farm. So to start production, right? एक firm को और एक company को, एक factory को production करने के लिए what he needs? What a firm needs? Firm needs factors of production, right? Land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. So how it will come? It will come from the household. That is land, labor, right? Capital and entrepreneur, right? So against these four factors of production, what will be paid to the household? यहाँ से इंजेक्ट हो रहा है, हाउसहोल्ड से लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल एंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप आएगा, राइट, टू द फर्म. एंड आफ्टर गेटिंग दिस four factors of production, the firms can now produce, right? And to after the production, so free में तो नहीं काम करेंगे, right? So they need to pay for this factor of production. And what will be the payment for the factor of production? That is फैक्टर पेमेंट. फैक्टर पेमेंट क्या क्या है? समझ में आ रहा है ना? अभी थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस मेरा हो गया है. लैंड के अगेंस्ट में मिलेगा आपको रेंट, लेबर के अगेंस्ट में मिलेगा वेजेस और सैलरी, राइट? कैपिटल के अगेंस्ट में मिलेगा इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट, एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को मिलेगा प्रॉफिट, राइट? सो दिस इज ए two-way प्रोसेस. हाउसहोल्ड से आएगा फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन और फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन के अगेंस्ट में मिलेगा फैक्टर इनकम और फैक्टर पेमेंट, राइट? नाउ गेटिंग दिस फैक्टर पेमेंट और फैक्टर इनकम, नाउ हाउसहोल्ड हैव द purchasing power to buy goods and services. Now household can buy goods and services from firm, right? So that is consumption expenditure. Consumption. Now I am getting better with whiteboard technology. Okay, so now household means people living in household, right? So consumption expenditure, and this will generate, what it will generate, or just a minute, यहाँ पे मैं एक चेंज करती हूँ. Okay, so For household, it will be consumption expenditure. एग्जाम में लेकिन अगर रिटर्न एग्जाम हो तो इतना गंदा ड्राइंग मत करना. हाँ, इट इज ओनली बिकॉज फॉर द टेक्नोलॉजी, अदरवाइज मेरा हैंड राइटिंग अच्छा है. ओके, सो हाउस होल्ड से कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर मिलेगा और एंड अगेंस्ट दैट कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर कब करेंगे? ओनली व्हेन फर्म्स विल डू सेल्स ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, राइट? सेल्स ऑफ goods and services, goods and services, and against this sales of goods and services, what firms will get? Sales revenue, right? Right. So can you understand it? So it is a both way process. Production करने के लिए चाहिए factors of production and they will pay factor income, and factor income मिलने के बाद they will get purchasing power and now they can buy goods and services from firms, and when firms